Open the gate. Gate opening now. Monitor the flow, B. Flow is steady, looks good.
The system's at peak capacity. Checking the levels now. The calibration is stable, maintain current throughput. Checking the sample integrity, everything looks good. Just spotted a minor jam on lane 3, adjusting the feed rate. The primary air cyclone is performing efficiently. Kernel quality looks excellent on the belt. Check the upper shell suction rate, it's steady.
The temperature is holding steady. Good, looks like they're blanching perfectly.
Temperatures are stable on panel A.
Confirming feed rate.
Check moisture levels on monitor C.
The temperature is stable, looks good. Perfect golden sheen, just right. Adjusting the moisture level slightly now. The intake is steady, just as planned.
Looks perfect, we're holding the required particle size. Monitoring the controls, everything stable.
The vat is almost at capacity.
Affirmative, shutting off feed.
Digital readings confirm the weight.
Recipe is complete. Consistency looks perfect. Check the temperature, please.
Monitoring the pipeline integrity. Cream consistency is perfect. The homogenizer is operating at peak capacity. Flow rate looks perfect, consistent pressure. Quality is excellent. Keep monitoring the valves. The filling weight is stable.
Monitoring the nozzle synchronization.
Checking jar levels on the line.
The fill level looks perfect. We're right on specification.
Good, keep the flow consistent.
Check weight in lane 3.
The alignment is perfect now.
Check the tension on feed 2.
This batch is ready to ship.
Line 1 moving steady, keep them tight. Watch the corner, pull it taut. Almost done here. Nice work, next pallet up. Line 1 complete, ready for line 2. Looks solid, let's wrap it up. Tension's good, almost finished. Line 2's ready.
Right there, perfect.